How's everybody doing tonight? Orange Sleeves, Vanny and Gabe. We got a little $5 Panini Prizm Football Mega Box. Go over the team list real quick. I think Jason's got half of them. He won the 10-team random there. Even though we had 5 spots, he stole that on us. Good job, Jason. He's on a little bit of a roll lately. We got Steve with Arizona, Jason with Atlanta and Baltimore, Steve with Buffalo, Jason with Carolina, Tim with Cincy, Jason with Cleveland and Dallas, Jordan with Denver, Brandon with Detroit, Mike with Green Bay, Jason with Houston, Mike Reynolds that is, Jason with Indy, Toby with Jacksonville, Rich with KC, Jordan with the Chargers, Jason with the Rams, Miami and Minnesota, Mike Freeman with New England, Mike Kudemarsh with New Orleans, Toby with the Giants, Jason with the Jets, Mike Kudemarsh with Oakland, Jason with Philly, Reynolds is San Fran, I believe. Yes, Mike Reynolds is San Fran, Jeff Stenner for Seattle, and Jason for Tampa Bay, Tennessee, and Washington. So good luck, everybody. We'll get to cracking. I haven't even checked in on the football game tonight. I've been busy with this. My fantasy matchups, knock on wood, were pretty safe, unless the kicker scored 35 points tonight on me. Which I got lucky. I had Eckler and Gordon in the in the night game last night, and they put me back in contention, or in the lead, I should say, for good. I feel like this thing's high up. James Conner, Allison, Goodwin. We got a Will Greer base. Hopefully pull out some silver QB action here to go with the auto. Dunlap, Garoppolo, Namath,
You don't have to hold the
legendary
card.
talents. The cards are up high enough.
Yeah.
Check out those pack games we got going. We've stuffed some packs in there, like regular packs. We got still have a card in every one. Moss, we got a Madison. Kid's looking pretty good. Him and Cook are quite the dual-headed monster. And then we have a lower one too that has a box of this in it. The other one's still got that triple threads auto nobody's hit. Oh, looks like we got a 250 points. We'll random off at the end. Hopefully that's not our auto in this box. I'm gonna be pissed. Probably is too. Turds. I just saw somebody hit a 4,500 Panini points, so that would be cool. Andrews, Kamara, Marino, Oliver. It's going to be our auto, isn't it? Wentz, Neal, Robinson, Harmon. Luck, Emergent, Saquon, Singletary.
Which Mike had Green Bay?
Reynolds. We got some color at least. Tim Brown. So we were thinking about trying to do a pack wars with these. That's funny. It's a Jimmy Graham Prizm. That's the one I got earlier too. Rashawn Gary. So Green Bay. That was Mike. That was weird. You just said that.
Yeah.
But it's a good thing we didn't try to do one because it looks like there's not any numbers to speak of.
You are
Yeah, you don't. Collins, Rippin. All right, it was our auto. Awesome. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Prizm. Better redeem yourself with something good in this one.
Which Mike had you said
Freeman.
Have a team, Jason. Nice.
Yeah. DJ Moore. Von Miller hype. Ryan Finley rookie.
And then he says Sam Cardinals to make Cardinals.
Yes. Lamar. Scantling. Bledsoe. Whiteside.
Okay, that list is all set on the
Okay. Thank you. Balaj, Sharp, Sammy Watkins, Deontay Thompson. No silvers yet either. Come on, man. We got some color at least. Pettis, another green, and another one for Green Bay by the looks of it. Darnell Savage. Yep. Mike Reynolds. Thought it was a camo for a second.
different green.
Yeah, it is a little different, isn't it? Cam, Montana. Come on, at least give us a silver.
Do these have cases?
No. Not that I know of. Nope. Curtis Martin, Unstoppable, J.J. Watt, Deontay Thompson. Still have our auto. Hopefully it's a good one. Carlos Hyde. That's right, I forgot he started off with Kansas City. Huh. Interesting. Everybody bitching about that call for the Pats. Oh, nice. It is a good one. We've got first auto. Sweet. Check that out. Oh, Paris Campbell. I think that was for Jason, one of the teams he won in the random.
Is that Dallas?
Indianapolis. That is a sweet one. For a mega box. Decent. Still not good enough to redeem themselves for the points, though. I'm going to be greedy. Let's get a cool silver and this box before we're done. Come on. Who's got Denver tonight? Oh, Josh Jacobs.
Denver is Jordan.
Maybe a little Drew Lock. Oh, come on. Nikhil Harry, maybe. More box there than there needs to be. So there's more box there than there needs to be. It's funny you get some of those other ones that are like tiny. Another Jacobs. Fred Taylor. Oh, Pat Mahomes. Collier. That'd be cool if the Mahomes was a silver. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I know the Pats got robbed, but at the same time, I pretty much remember that happening in the playoff game last year. Oh, we got our auto already, and I believe it's another Jason Stevenson, one of the teams he bought for Houston. Karen Higdon.
Houston is Jason Stevenson, yes.
And he's on a roll. He said he just won the box the other night for us. And he said he had a break going tonight that he had the first 3 hits, so.
Good for him.
Yeah. You go cold sometimes, and sometimes you go on streaks like those. I told him he should buy some packs tonight, and we'll probably finally give away that triple auto. Josh Allen, Sean Alexander, Daniel Hunter, Unstoppable, Deontay Johnson. We're still yet to get our first silver prism, too. Bastards. Jordan Reed, Lattimore, Cooks. Yeah,
Like,
am I getting really?
Yeah. I got him.
Mm-hmm. Thought with the thing under there that it wouldn't get cockeyed, but that's a sweet green for this box. Who ended up with the Giants tonight? I forget.
Giants was Toby.
There you go, Toby. A little something for the Giants anyway. Lawrence Taylor, green. The only linebacker that I could say might have been better than Derek Thomas. Thompson, Manning, Smith, Cobb. There's another good one, that Smith. Boy, so is what's his face for Indy. That guy is a beast. Darius Leonard. There we go. TJ Watt, Henry, Sherman, Whiteside. Crosby, Jones, Michael Thomas, Hype, and Finley. Michael Thomas is a beast too. Alright, box 4. Is it 4? 3. Yeah, 4.
It's 4.
4, it's because of the points. If you threw me off, I forgot.
I feel like if you're going to do one of those instead, it needs to be more than 250 TV points.
Yeah. I haven't been on there to look in a while what you can redeem them for. TJ Watt, Crosby, Jones, Lawrence. That was like the same pack minus the Lawrence. McCaffrey, Staubach. Oh, nice. We got one for the Chargers. Little silver Easton Stick rookie. Finally got one.
Jordan.
Cool. Decent. Glad we got one at least.
Do you,
Yeah, hard. Yes, please. Jordan Howard, Watson, and we've got our auto in this one. Another Packer. The Sean Gary. Is that even real? How is that possible? Hat trick for Green Bay. All different players too, right? Yep, they were too. Oh, the other ones weren't the autos; they were the green prisms. Okay, yeah. I was like, wow. What are the chances?
Green Bay, considering we don't have many other hits yet.
Xavier Howard, O.J. Howard, Derek Carr, Scary Terry.
This stuff isn't like too long for sorting either. It doesn't seem like too
Deshaun Watson fireworks. Oh, what the hell is that? Do you see that?
What?
Look at that. You see this Bosa?
Oh.
I'm glad it's not a silver. That is crazy. Who's got San Fran? Mike Reynolds?
Mike, yeah.
Yeah, we'll slip a Bosa rookie in there for him. I'm glad that wasn't a silver. I would have been pissed.
That's weird.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? It's almost like it got wet or something.
Yeah.
I don't know why it would.
One of those weird things that are worth
Le'Veon Curtis. I don't think so. We'll ship it to him anyway, just in case. Myles Gaskin. I don't know if it would be something that would be like an error with the print, you know, like
yeah.
the way it came out. I don't know. You wouldn't think it would, if it was wet, it wouldn't, you know, it would have other.
Card would be, yeah.
I don't know. So we got a Christian Kirk for Arizona. I want to say that was Steve.
It was Steve.
Montez Sweat. Ingram, Hopkins, Troy Brown, Isabella. Did we get another? No, I thought we had another silver Easton stick. I was going to say, come on. 2 silvers is better than 1, but I actually saw, I can't remember what site I was on the other day, somebody was asking for cards of him. Cole Beasley, Eddie George, Cooper Kupp emergent, Noah Fant. He had a game the other day before he got hurt. Alright, last box. Hopefully we get some QB power here. Oh yeah, it's Eli playing tonight too, isn't it? Oh boy. Good luck, everybody. Earl Thomas, Tony Pollard, Hannah, Winston, Hamilton, Ronnie Johnson. Mahomes, are you shitting me? You've got to be kidding me. I was going to say, I really hope they don't do that to us again, but wow. Riley Ridley, Chicago.
Let's have number 1 and 2 get Panini points.
Yikes. Joe Namath, Devin White. We got a Mahomes hype for Rich. That is just garbage.
Yeah, that's really bad.
Yeah. Josh Allen, Fuller, Alexander. Screw you, Prizm. Panini. Jordan Reed, Lattimore, and a Curtis Samuel for Carolina. Jason Stevenson, Team Butler. Edelman, Leonard, Cooks, Stidham rookie. Would have been nice if it was a silver instead. Come on, it's Christmas time. Give us another silver.
Give us another
Since
auto.
you're giving us points, you yeah, right? Irv Smith. Sherman, Sony Michel, Brilliance, Damian Harris. Looks like that's going to do it. We will go ahead and random those points off.
Want to do a quick recap while you still got it on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 Panini points, seriously. We got a Curtis Samuel, Christian Kirk, Lawrence Taylor, Ginogram, Darnell Savage Jr., Easton Stick Silver, Rashawn Gary Auto, Kern Higdon Auto, and Paris Campbell. And we will random the points right now.
So we're going to do 1 and 2 get spot?
Yeah,
Good
top 2?
Sure.
Alright, I don't care unless is it tough to reset it for you?
I have to put them all
3?
in.
Okay. Top 2 it is. 4 is 7. Alright, good luck everybody. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last time, good luck, 7. You got 1 going to Brandon Denon and 1 going to Mike Kudemarsh. All right. Congrats, guys. Thanks for jumping in, guys. We'll try to get something else going later this week. And if not, grabbing those pack games. A lot of good stuff in there. All right. Have a good night, guys.